the bet?
Somebody should bring a bucket.
Wait, what's in it? You gotta say
What?
what's in it.
For 100? All right, you gotta drink it.
What's in it? What's in it?
Tabasco.
Oh.
Ew! Oh my god.
Fear factor,
Nope, you can't drink something else. Do it. $100. Fuck's it good. Okay, one more sip. Come on.
I need the small one.
For like.
What you doing it?
Huh? I split it back in.
I'll give you $5 if you.
I'll give you 6.
No, let's go.